Good day, YouTube, and what is up? It's your boy, and today I want to talk to you guys about investing goals. Yes, investing goals. What are your goals? Everyone should have goals when investing. It is super duper ridiculously redonkulous important. It is of the utmost importance when investing. I did not write out my goals my first year investing. However, every year since, I have written out my goals. Goals depend on what you, as an individual, want to achieve from investing. It could be anything, really, guys. It could be whatever you want. Everyone is uniquely different, and their goals are not all going to be the same. Maybe your goal is to, get rich. It's definitely a possibility. It's going to take some time, more than likely, but it could be a goal. I would say you should set realistic goals, like maybe instead of get rich, maybe start with make $100 to $1,000. Maybe that could be your goal. How do you want to invest? That's a question you got to ask. Do you want to invest long term? I don't know. Do you want to day trade? Do you want to swing trade? There's so many different ways of trading. Which one do you want to do? Do you want to just invest long term? Do you want to day trade? Buy a few stocks every single day and maybe only make small amounts of profit? Do you want to swing trade? Maybe buy off of earnings, buy off of news, all these different things. Maybe hold a stock for a week, a month, something like that. How do you want to invest? What's your goals? These are all questions you got to ask yourself before you even put in $1 into any stock. Do you maybe just want to, build a nice portfolio with a lot of dividends? Maybe that's what you want to do. Maybe you just want to work on your portfolio, get some dividends, and maybe put that into a drip account so that you can keep reinvesting your dividends over and over again. And that's how you want to build your portfolio. Or maybe you just want to buy one stock and just hold that one stock and see what happens. Maybe you want to buy 3 stocks. Maybe you want to short a stock for the first time. Everyone has different goals. Now you got to ask yourself, what's your goals? These could be your goals. I know my goal is to always get rich. Realistically, that's a long-term goal, and I have to do that by baby steps. So my baby step is, each year I'm in the stock market, I like to make more money than I did the previous year before. And by goal, I like to do different types of investing and trading. So I'll talk to you guys about that in another video. But one of my goals is to make a certain amount of money each year from swing trading and from investing long term. So those are my goals. And I have many other goals too, like I only want to lose a certain percentage and whatnot. Like I want to make this much but only lose this much. That's one of my goals personally, but maybe you don't care. Maybe you just want to make this much and it doesn't really matter how much you lose as long as you're profitable. That could be one of your goals, guys. I have no idea again. So you got to ask yourself before you invest, what are your goals? Honestly, guys, just take the time. Maybe take 5 minutes, an hour, a couple hours a day, a week, however long you need to seriously write out your goals. Write out maybe 3 to 5 goals and just try and achieve them slowly and track your progress too. It always helps to track your progress. I know the first year I did not track my progress and I regret it. Every year since, I've tracked my progress, my gains, my losses, everything. So I know exactly how I'm doing, and I don't have to think in my head and overinflate myself or anything like that. I know, I look down and I see exactly how well or bad I'm doing. It's a very good thing to have, keeps you modest, and keeps your head in the game. And that's what you need. So guys, it's just a quick intro onto why you should have goals as an investor and why they are super important. And before you invest, you should definitely write out a list of things you want to achieve in your first year, your first 2 years, your first 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 50 years maybe down the road. Those are all goals you want to achieve. I know by the time I'm age 50, I would like to have $52,000 in dividends per year. It's one of my goals. It's my long-term goal. It's one of my longest-term goals. We'll have to wait and see if I achieve that goal. Fingers crossed I do. Anyways, guys, until next time, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not already subscribed, smash that subscribe button. And right beside that subscribe button is the like button. So hit that button too while you're at it. It only takes an extra click. Until next time, guys, see ya!